Welcome. In this video, we are going to explore the extraordinary connection between our thoughts, beliefs, and our physical health. We will look into the fascinating world of affirmations and their potential to bring about profound healing. It might sound unbelievable, but we'll discuss the claim that a specific affirmation has the power to make any disease disappear forever. Get ready to open your mind to new possibilities and discover the untapped potential within you. From the common cold to chronic illnesses, diseases have plagued humanity for centuries, causing immense suffering and claiming countless lives. We yearn for a world free from sickness, where everyone can live a life of optimal health and vitality. While conventional medicine has made remarkable strides in treating and managing various ailments, there are still limitations, and the burden of disease continues to weigh heavily on individuals and society as a whole. The emotional toll of battling a chronic illness can be overwhelming, affecting not only the patient, but also their loved ones. The financial burden of medical treatments, medications, and hospital stays can create additional stress and anxiety. It's a constant struggle, and the search for a cure or relief often feels endless. But what if there was a simpler, more accessible way to address the root cause of disease? What if the key to healing lay not in external remedies, but within the depths of our own minds? This is where the power of affirmations comes into play. Affirmations are positive statements that, when repeated consistently, can reprogram your subconscious mind and influence our thoughts, beliefs, and ultimately our physical reality. The concept might seem too good to be true, but countless individuals have reported experiencing remarkable transformations in their health and well-being through the practice of affirmations. The specific affirmation that we will be focusing on in this video is said to have the ability to heal any disease. It is a powerful statement that, when embraced with unwavering belief, can activate the body's innate healing mechanisms and restore balance and harmony. The idea is that by repeatedly affirming a state of perfect health, we can override the negative thought patterns and limiting beliefs that contribute to disease. Our subconscious mind, which plays a crucial role in regulating our bodily functions, begins to accept the new reality we are creating through our words. It's important to understand that the effectiveness of affirmations lies not just in the words themselves, but in the conviction with which we utter them. The more we believe in the power of the affirmation, the more potent its impact becomes. Repetition is also key, as it reinforces the message to our subconscious and strengthens the neural pathways associated with health and well-being. There will be skeptics who dismiss the notion that a simple affirmation can cure any disease. Numerous studies have shown that the mere belief in a treatment, even if it's a sugar pill, can trigger physiological changes in the body and lead to improvements in various health conditions. The mind-body connection is undeniable, and our thoughts and beliefs have a profound impact on our physical health. Positive emotions such as joy, gratitude, and love have been linked to a stronger immune system and a decreased risk of disease. On the other hand, chronic stress, anxiety, and negativity can weaken our defenses and make us more susceptible to illness. So, is it possible that by harnessing the power of our minds through affirmations, we can tap into a wellspring of healing potential that lies dormant within us? Can we reprogram our subconscious beliefs and create a reality where disease no longer has a hold on us? The answer might surprise you. While the claim that an affirmation can cure any disease may seem extraordinary, there is growing evidence to support the idea that our thoughts and beliefs play a significant role in our health. The field of psychoneuroimmunology explores the intricate relationship between the mind, the nervous system, and the immune system. Research has shown that positive emotions and a sense of well-being can boost our immune response, while stress and negativity can suppress it. Anecdotal evidence abounds of individuals who have experienced remarkable recoveries from various illnesses through the practice of affirmations and other mind-body techniques. These stories, while not scientifically proven, offer a glimpse into the transformative power of the mind and its ability to influence the body's healing processes. Of course, it's important to approach the concept of affirmations with a healthy dose of skepticism and critical thinking. We must be mindful not to fall prey to false promises or miracle cures. Affirmations are not a substitute for conventional medical treatment, and it's crucial to consult with healthcare professionals for any health concerns. Affirmations can be a valuable complement to traditional medicine, offering a holistic approach to healing that addresses both the physical and mental aspects of disease. By incorporating affirmations into our daily routine, we can cultivate a positive mindset, reduce stress, and strengthen our overall well-being. Now let's explore how to use this specific affirmation effectively. The first step is to choose a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be interrupted. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths to calm your mind and body. Once you feel centered and present, begin repeating the affirmations silently or aloud. It's essential to speak the words with conviction and believe in their truth. Visualize yourself as already being in a state of perfect health, free from any disease or discomfort. Feel the sensations of vitality and well-being coursing through your body. You can enhance the effectiveness of the affirmation by incorporating visualization and meditation techniques. Picture yourself radiating health and happiness, surrounded by a vibrant aura of light. Imagine the affirmation penetrating every cell of your being, restoring balance and harmony. Consistency is key when it comes to affirmations. Aim to practice them daily, ideally in the morning and evening. The more you repeat the affirmation, the deeper it will embed itself into your subconscious mind. Be patient with the process and trust that the seeds you are planting will blossom into a vibrant garden of health and well-being. The power to heal lies within you. By harnessing the power of your mind through affirmations, you can tap into your innate healing potential and create a reality where disease no longer has a hold on you. Now, we understand that for some, the claim that an affirmation can heal any disease might seem far-fetched. It's natural to be skeptical, especially when dealing with matters of health. After all, we've been conditioned to believe that healing comes from external sources like medications and medical procedures. But it's important to remember that the human body is a complex and miraculous system with incredible self-healing capabilities. Throughout history, there have been countless cases of spontaneous remission where individuals have recovered from seemingly incurable diseases without any medical intervention. While science may not fully understand the mechanisms behind these recoveries, they point to the existence of a powerful healing force within us that can be activated under the right conditions. Affirmations, along with other mind-body practices, can create those conditions by shifting our beliefs and expectations about health. When we truly believe that we can heal, we open ourselves up to the possibility of transformation. We empower our bodies to do what they were designed to do, restore balance and eliminate disease. So even if you're skeptical, we encourage you to keep an open mind and try the affirmation for yourself. There's no harm in experimenting with this simple yet potentially powerful tool. The worst case scenario is that nothing changes, but the best case scenario is that you experience a profound shift in your health and well-being. Remember, the journey to healing is a personal one. What works for one person may not work for another. But by exploring different approaches and tapping into the power of your mind, you increase your chances of finding what resonates with you and unlocks your body's innate healing potential. Now let's move beyond the physical realm and explore the broader benefits of affirmations. While the focus of this video is on healing disease, affirmations can also have a profound impact on our emotional and mental well-being. They can help us overcome anxiety, depression, and other challenges that affect our quality of life. By affirming positive qualities and beliefs about ourselves, we can cultivate a sense of self-love and acceptance. We can reprogram your subconscious mind to let go of limiting beliefs and embrace our true potential. Affirmations can help us build confidence, resilience, and a positive outlook on life. Affirmations can be used to enhance specific areas of our lives, such as relationships, career, and creativity. By focusing our thoughts and intentions on what we want to achieve, we can attract opportunities and manifest our desires. The key is to choose affirmations that resonate with us and align with our values and goals. It's important to remember that affirmations are not a magic wand that will instantly solve all our problems. They are a tool that, when used consistently and with intention, can facilitate positive change and growth. So, whether you're seeking physical healing, emotional well-being, or personal transformation, affirmations can be a valuable addition to your self-care toolkit. They empower you to take control of your thoughts, beliefs, and ultimately, your reality. In addition to their individual benefits, affirmations can also have a ripple effect on the world around us. When we cultivate a positive mindset and radiate health and well-being, we inspire others to do the same. Our energy becomes contagious, and we contribute to a collective shift towards a healthier and happier society. Imagine a world where everyone embraces the power of affirmations and harnesses their innate healing potential. It's a world where disease is no longer a constant threat, where individuals are empowered to take control of their health, and where people thrive in a state of balance and harmony. While this vision may seem idealistic, it's not beyond our reach. By starting with ourselves and committing to a practice of positive affirmations, we can create a ripple effect that extends far beyond our individual lives. We can become beacons of light, illuminating the path towards a brighter and healthier future for all. Now it's time to take action. We encourage you to start practicing the affirmation today. Incorporate it into your daily routine, repeat it with conviction, and visualize yourself in a state of perfect health. Be patient, be consistent, and trust in the power of your mind to heal your body. Share your experiences with others. Talk to your friends and family about the power of affirmations and encourage them to try it for themselves. You are not alone on this journey. While we start on this journey of self-discovery and healing, keep in mind that the most important factor is your belief in yourself and your ability to create positive change. The mind is a powerful tool, and when harnessed with intention and focus, it can achieve remarkable things. So let go of any doubts or limitations and embrace the limitless possibilities that lie within you. You have the power to heal, to transform, and to create a life of optimal health and vitality. Start today and witness the incredible power of affirmations unfold in your life. Beyond the physical healing and emotional well-being that affirmations can bring, there's another layer of transformation that we want to touch upon. It's about recognizing the interconnectedness of our mind, body, and spirit. True health encompasses not just the absence of disease, but a sense of wholeness and alignment in all aspects of our being. Affirmations can help us cultivate a deeper connection to our inner wisdom and intuition. By quieting the noise of the external world and tuning into our inner voice, we can gain clarity and guidance on our path to optimal health. This inner knowing can help us make choices that nourish our bodies, minds, and souls. It's also important to acknowledge that healing is not always linear. There may be setbacks and challenges along the way. But even in those moments, affirmations can provide a source of strength and resilience. They remind us of our innate power to overcome obstacles and continue moving forward on our journey. The goal is not just to be free from disease, but to thrive in a state of vibrant health and well-being. It's about living a life filled with joy, purpose, and fulfillment. Affirmations can help us tap into that boundless potential and create a reality that reflects our deepest desires. So, as we conclude this exploration of the power of affirmations, we invite you to reflect on your own health and well-being. What areas of your life could benefit from a positive shift in mindset? What affirmations resonate with you and inspire you to take action? The journey to optimal health is an ongoing process. It requires commitment, dedication, and a willingness to explore new possibilities, but the rewards are immeasurable. By harnessing the power of your mind through affirmations, you can unlock a world of healing, transformation, and limitless potential. We believe in you and your ability to create a life of vibrant health and well-being. Start today and witness the incredible power of affirmations unfold in your life.